Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? So today we are going to do tables of grade 1. So let's start. Table of 2. तो सबसे पहले हम लिखेंगे टेबल ऑफ 2. चलिए लिखते हैं. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. तो ये था 2 का टेबल. नेक्स्ट टेबल ऑफ 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, and 3 tens are 30. Done. This is the table of 3. Now next, table of 4. So let's start the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, and 4 tens are 40. Done. Now the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45, and 5 tens are 50. Done. 6. Table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54, and 6 tens are 60. Done. So students, I hope आपको 6 tables की समझ आ गई होगी. अब आप इसको घर पर लर्न करिए और प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. हैव अ ब्लेस्ड डे. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.
वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक करें, अपनी राय कमेंट करें. ऐसे ही मजीद वीडियोस के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल का आइकन दबाएं ताकि आपको हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे.